this question, and we've got a simultaneous equation. One is an exponential, and the second one is a log. Now, the way to do this is, let me just take the first equation, and I'm going to write that as 2 cubed. 8 is 2 cubed. I recognize that. To the power of y has to equal to 2 squared to the power of 2x plus 3. That's the key right there. Okay, so now, instead of 8, I've put 2 cubed. Instead of 4, I've put 2 squared. So they are equivalent. Okay, I haven't changed my expression. I'm not allowed to. But I've rewritten it as 2 cubed. So now I can say, okay, therefore, if I remove, now this is again obeying the usual rules of indices. And I remove the bracket and multiply the power. So it's 2 to the power of 3y is equal to 2 to the power of 2 bracket 2x plus 3. So I am obeying the usual rule of indices. Now, it turns out that if the base is the same, which it is 2, then the powers must also be the same. So 2 to the power of 3y is equal to 2 to the power of 2 bracket 2x plus 3. Therefore, that implies that 3y must equal to 2 bracket 2x plus 3. Okay, so I have now a simple equation in x and y. Now, if I look at equation 2, I'm going to focus on that. So equation 2, if I subtract the logs, so if I say log base 2 of y minus log base 2 of x is equal to 4. Now we should know this rule if I'm subtracting, and it's the same base. So let me emphasize that point. The base is the same. If that's the case, then I divide. So it becomes log base 2 of y over x is equal to 4. And therefore, now from here, I can say, if that's the case, then from the definition of a log, y over x is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so y over x is equal to 16, and therefore y is equal to 16x. So now I have my 2 new equations. Okay, so if you like, equation 3, equation 4. I've already got y the subject of this one. So on this one, I can just substitute y in, can't I? So it's 3y. So if I substitute y as 16x into equation 3, into this one, then I have 3 lots of y, 3 lots of 16x has to equal to 2 bracket 2x plus 3. This is a very straightforward case, removing the bracket, so it's 48x is equal to 4x plus 6. 44x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 over 44. If you want to simplify that, it's 3 over 22. What we could now do is, now that we have our value of x, we could substitute back into equation 4, because it says y is equal to 16x. So y is equal to 16 lots of x, but x is 3 over 22. So 16 lots of 3 over 22. That's 24 over 11. And you can do this yourself, but that's 2 and 2/11 if you really wanted to simplify that.